And your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, your help, cooperations, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive smart fresh look sarees collections only for you. So let me display. This one is very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom Chanderi silk and very soft, summer friendly, premium quality, very comfortable one with beautiful, elegant printed one, very smart, fresh looks. This one is full base part, outstanding looks. This one is very soft one, premium quality, comfortable, highlighted contrast with golden zari half-inch highlighted border and full base part is beautiful smart printed one and very soft summer friendly premium quality pure Chanderi silk with print. And this one pallu portions highlighted printed pallu, and this one full base part and very soft comfortable, only 300 gram weight, very lightweight. And this one full base part, beautiful printed one, trendy looks. And this one a running blouse piece, fully contrast different printed running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart fresh looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very beautiful one, same material, very lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Chanderi silk with golden zari highlighted half-inch border and full base part is beautiful printed one, very nice fresh looks. This one is highlighted border and this one is all over base part, very nice fresh looks, pure Chanderi silk, premium quality, soft one, summer friendly obviously. And this one is pallu portions highlighted, beautiful printed pallu, and this one full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, soft one. And this one is full base part, fully printed. And this one running blouse piece, contrast color printed, fully printed running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, have sign also, and based for your party wear gorgeous looks, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen material, silver sign all over base, silver zari border. And this one full base part, contrast color dye set, full base with beautiful fine weaving butta design. These are fine weaving butta work, silver zari border all over base, silver sign, shiny material. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, fully weaving butta work, very nice fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one all over base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material golden butta Banarasi butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. Also in a very beautiful one, same material, different color combinations, very nice looks, premium quality tissue linen contrast color dye set base and silver zari border, and all over base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design all over base, silver sign, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen material. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast red stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very nice fresh looks, contrast color dye with fine weaving butta design, silver sign, very elegant and fresh looks. And this one running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part butta design, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks, gorgeous also. And this one very beautiful one, very nice color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom Chanderi silk print, highlighted golden zari border, and all over base part is beautiful, nice, elegant printed one. Very fresh looks. Let me open this one. Full base part, very soft one, only 300 gram weight. And this one, border portions, contrast color border, highlighted golden zari half-inch border, and full base part is beautiful buta design, buta printed one. Very smart, fresh looks. And this one is pallu portions. Highlighted printed pallu, and this one full base part and very soft one, summer friendly, smart, elegant looks. This portion is border portions and all over base part buta pattern printed. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very beautiful one, lane by lane, fine lane by lane with sequin design work, fully designer piece, very nice and fresh looks, silver zari border and full border portions, beautiful beads and sequin design work, very fresh and bright looks. This one is border portions. Premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with designer piece. And this one, full base part, beautiful sequin and beads, fully stitching design, weaving design, very nice looks, beautiful design. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful design work with highlighted silver zari stripes, very fresh and beautiful bright looks. And this one, full base part, very nice one, beautiful design work. This portion is border portions, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. So very beautiful one and very nice color combination, semi cotton silk with beautiful fine embroidery buta design, very nice color combinations, wine shade with beautiful fine embroidery buta design, very smart fresh looks. This one is all over base part, very nice trendy looks, beautiful all over base part, fine embroidery work, very nice looks. This one is all over base part, same embroidery buta design, all over plain with embroidery buta. And this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart fresh looks. And this one, very nice one, summer friendly, premium quality cotton ikat material with beautiful design. This one is highlighted silver zari stripes pattern border and grey shade with beautiful elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton ikat. And this one is silver zari highlighted stripes pattern border, and this one is middle portions contrast color with ikat design, very trendy looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color, very beautiful one, fresh bright looks, summer friendly, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, very beautiful one, bright color combinations, hand batik printed one, cotton slab material, silver zari border, and all over base part is beautiful batik printed one, fully hand batik print. This one is full base part, cotton slab material, silver zari border, and this one is pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu. And this one full base part, very nice trendy look. This one is border portions, and all over base part is batik printed design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, navy blue shade. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. It's a very beautiful one, very nice looks, semi cotton silk with beautiful batik printed design all over base, semi cotton silk with beautiful batik printed one. And this one, pallu portions highlighted printed pallu, very nice fresh looks and purple shade. And this one, full base part, beautiful hand batik printed design, very nice fresh looks. This one is highlighted border, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and all over base part, nice color combinations with hand batik print. And I will suggest this cotton fabric checks with weaving border work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, very nice one, cotton fabric, khadi cotton base, pure handloom, very elegant color combinations with fine weaving border design, very trendy fresh looks. This one, full base part, this portion is border portions, fully fine weaving design work, stripes pattern, weaving design work border. And this one is all over base part, khadi cotton base, very soft one, smart looks all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions highlighted contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one is all over base, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, very beautiful one, khadi cotton base, contrast border, and all over base part is texture pattern weaving, ikat contrast border, and beautiful weaving stripes design. This one, full base part, and this one is contrast color ikat border, and all over base part is fine weaving stripes design, beautiful weaving stripes, and very soft one, summer friendly. And this one is all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portion. This one is pallu portions, beautiful contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very smart fresh looks, khadi cotton base, soft one, summer friendly base for your daily wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful tinted contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks, smart daily looks. In a very beautiful color combinations, very nice looks and beautiful weaving border design, khadi cotton silk with fine weaving border design, very colorful. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk material. And this one is border portions, fully fine weaving design work border, fully hand weaving design, very colorful, beautiful fine weaving. And this one is all over base part, khadi cotton silk material, soft one, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one is all over base part, very trendy and fresh looks, bright fresh one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fresh looks. And this one, very beautiful one, khadi cotton base, beautiful pom-pom design pallu end, and all over base part is fine stripes design, very nice looks, soft one, summer friendly, based for your office wear, daily wear. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with fine stripes design all over base and beautiful pom-pom design. And this one, full base part, very nice looks, soft, summer friendly, trendy looks. This one is all over base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive daily looks. In a very beautiful bright looks, cotton silk material with heavy fine embroidery work, very nice bright gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, bright color combinations with embroidery design. These are beautiful colorful embroidery work, handloom cotton silk material base part with beautiful embroidery work, very nice looks, bright gorgeous also. This one, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one is pallu portions, same pattern work. pallu and very nice bright looks, bright yellow shade, and I will say this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks, bright daily looks. And today I have kept a beautiful saree, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, yellow with pink contrast border and full border portions, beautiful fine traditional Banarasi weaving work, and all over base part is weaving buta design, colorful weaving buta design, very smart looks. And this one pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with smart fine stripes design and traditional border, very trendy and fashionable looks, beautiful saree with beautiful earrings. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.